This video will describe how Schoology will be used for C-Track families. C-Track students and parents will use Schoology to access their lessons, to view calendars for our schools and courses, to read weekly selective updates from their teachers, and receive updates from their schools and courses. In addition, they might receive updates from their ESs, view and contribute to online media albums, take part in online discussions, and may even receive grades in the Schoology gradebook. Each C-Track teacher will have a family course in which one or more parents from each family are enrolled. This will allow the teacher to post and display calendar events like conferences. Parents will receive email notifications or push notifications on their smartphones, provided they have set their notifications up properly. Although students will not be enrolled in the C-Track Teacher's Family course, since only parents are enrolled, students will be able to message their C-Track teacher using Schoology's messaging feature. You may use this to encourage independence and accountability with your students. Students can be instructed to message their C-Track teachers if they have questions. C-Track teachers can also require weekly or daily messages from students that are status updates on their unit work. There are several options for scheduling conferences within Schoology. Many of you already use Sign Up Genius. In Schoology, you would simply create your Sign Up Genius and then in Schoology post a link to your Sign Up Genius page. Alternately, you can create an editable Google Doc. This is similar to what some of you currently do using an editable wiki page. The Google Doc can then be linked or embedded in a Schoology page. You can also add conference appointments directly to the Schoology calendar and enable the RSVP function so that parents can accept the appointments that way. So I've added a conference information folder with basic conference information that I transferred from the wiki. You can send this folder to your course by accessing it in the cart. Aside from those predicted uses, your Schoology Family course could also be used to create and collect assignments. Could we collect forms, grade reports, field trip forms from families this way? We need to think about these possibilities. Would C-Track teachers want to lead online discussions with their families on educational topics of interest? Could you create a small group, parents of primary students or parents of students who are struggling in math, that would then discuss topics of interest to that small group? C-Track teachers could create media albums where families could upload images of their workspace at home, of projects they create or field trips they take, or anything else you want them to document. In your first year, you can certainly keep it simple using Schoology's basic features, but some of these ideas may capture your imagination. The exciting thing is that when you want to try something new with your families, Schoology probably has the features needed to try out your great idea.